Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong first quarter ngayong 2025. So, January, February, March. Let's see. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nag-skip ng ating mga ads dito sa channel. Thank you. Okay, Virgo, first quarter 2025. Anong parating? Anong energy? So, you have the 10th house. Uy, Venus in Virgo in the 10th house. So, merong focus sa career, trabaho ninyo, or sa business ninyo. Venus is the planet of money, the planet of love, aesthetics. So, if you are, kung ang career path mo ay nasa finance, nasa health and beauty, nasa fashion, ayan. So, I see you getting more attention sa career ngayong first quarter ng 2025. I think you will be earning more money. Lalo na kung ikaw talaga ay magiging masinop, no, sa pera mo at magiging process-oriented ka sa mga actions na gagawin mo. Ito yung hindi ka pabara-bara ng desisyon, ng action na gagawin. You will be analyzing things na susuriin mo ang bawat galaw mo sa iyong career, sa business mo, ano man yung source of income mo. You will focus on making more money ngayong first quarter ng 2025. You also have Ansus. Ansus is about wisdom, yung insights, learning, no? So, maaring you are going through spiritual awakening or maaring meron kang mga pag-aaralan, mga i-research about your career, kung paano mo mas mapauunlad yan, kung paano mo paano ka mas magiging abundant in your creativity, in your productivity, no? Paano ka mas magiging productive. You also have Ihwas, which is rebirth, endings, new beginnings. So, you may experience endings sa career and new beginnings din. And I think, itong new beginnings na to, mas magbibigay sa'yo to ng financial stability. And at the same time, maaaring magdadala rin to ng balance sa buhay mo. Dahil kaya mong maging productive and at the same time, naaalagaan mo rin yung sarili mo. You also have Othila, which is properties. So, pwedeng kayo ay makakabili ng mga properties na mag-i-increase ng income ninyo. Pwedeng lupa, bahay, sasakyan, tapos paparentahan nyo. Anything that will bring income sa'yo na properties na bibilihin mo. Or pwede rin namang you just want to invest for future use. Some of you will also receive inheritance. So, kung meron kayong mga inaasikasong mana galing sa inyong lolo, lola, parents, so, maaring ma-process yan ngayong first quarter ng 2025. So, let's see what else. Overall energy ng mga Virgo. You have the Chariot. Ooh, success. You're keeping your eye on the prize. Kumbaga, diretso tingin mo. Alam mo kung saan mo gustong pumunta. I think pagdating sa career talaga, meron kang goal na ngayong first quarter, makita mo agad yung growth sa career mo, sa business mo, sa kung ano man yung pinagkakakitaan mo. Your challenge is the Death card, which is the change, the endings, the new beginnings. So, maaring ito yung challenge sa'yo kung paano ka makakapag-transition smoothly O paano mo mata-transition from your previous job or career going to a new one. Okay? And then your opportunity, the Four of Cups. So as an opportunity, maaring yung dati na hindi mo binibigyan ng pansin, atensyon, ay marirealize mo na ngayon. Na pwede pala siyang magbigay sa iyo ng fulfillment, ng happiness. So this can be related sa relationship na yung dati hindi mo pinapansin na may gusto sa iyo or may interest sa iyo, mapapansin mo na. Or yung iba naman, yung dating hindi niyo pinapansin na pwedeng maging source of income, mapapansin mo na ngayon. What is your focus? Your focus is Page of Swords. This is about learning, being more curious, no? So, I think you are really open to learning para mas mapaunlad mo yung career path mo, yung trabaho mo, yung business mo. Some of you, pwedeng meron kayong leadership role, merong interview. I see interview sa career, trabaho. It's all about learning. So, marami kang gustong matutunan ngayon. Ma-improve sa iyong sarili. And then your blessing is, wow, ang ganda. Grabe. You have the Empress. Ooh, as a blessing, this is abundance. This is prosperity. This is productivity, fertility. So if you are also wanting to have a baby, so maaring may pregnancy rito na parating, that's a blessing, a new member of the family. The Empress is about taking care of yourself. So, this really makes sense kasi may Venus dito. Venus ay ruler ng Empress. Wow, ang ganda nito, Virgo. So, let's see what else pa. Maaring mas magiging productive ka, no? Ngayong first quarter. Kumbaga, you're going to start 2025 strong. Wala ka nang sasayanging oras. Oh, diba? Tinan mo, spark of curiosity, spiritual awakening. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. You're curious. You want to learn more. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung mga challenges. Kasama yan sa buhay. Pero, kailangan open ka dyan sa mga challenges na yan kasi meron yung lesson na maituturo sa'yo. Also, the truth, justice, due process. So, maaring meron kang kailangang pagdaanan na proseso para makita mo yung resulta na gusto mo. Kanya-kanya kasi yan eh. Iba, may kinalaman sa court cases. Yung iba, isang proseso na inaaral mo or produkto na inaaral mo para ma-manufacture mo siya. Halimbawa, gusto mo maging magkaroon ng sarili mong skincare brand. So you will research about the process. Autumn, within 6 to 9 months. Oh, I think within 6 to 9 months, you are going to be fully in control of your situation, of your career, of your business. So samantalahin mo yon, yung pagkakataon na yon. Justice, 2 beses yung energy ng justice. So, this is bringing balance into your life. And this is also karma. So, kung ano yung ibinibigay mo, yun din yung matatanggap mo. So, if you're working hard towards your goals, then definitely, makukuha mo yung resulta na gusto mo. Friendship. Some of you will also gain new friends, new romantic connection, or this is passion and love for your career. Okay? Kasi hindi naman lahat yun yung relationships, romantic connection ang gusto, diba? Or you are going to reassess your situation, kung masaya ka pa ba sa sitwasyon mo, whether this is relationship or career. At pag hindi, you're going to change your mind. So, magiging open ka sa changes. At ito na, yung sinasabi nating transformation na magaganap. You also have optimism. So, pagiging positibo yung pananaw. Oo. If you're going to make up stories in your head about people and circumstances, please make them love stories with happy endings. So, makakatulong tong optimism na to para mas maging inspired ka sa magiging resulta ng mga actions na ginagawa mo. Kaya, pipiliin mong maigi, pag-iisipan mong maigi lahat ng mga actions mo para yung resulta nun is magiging ayon sa gusto mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.